Hello, you are very welcome to this video. Today we will be using this particular type of yarn. We call it bobby wool to make this beautiful, clean looking knotless braids. First of all, this is how we prep the hair and cut it into the desired length. This is the length we are using. And I saw one method of making knotless braid on Horoscope's page, her channel, of how to make knotless braid for if you struggle with knotless braid. So you share the section into two, you lay the hair extension in between, then braid the two parts of hair over it, and as you braid, you start feeding in the knotless, like the hair extension, the way you would feed in knotless braid. So this is like an alternative to people who still struggle with knotless braid, and it looked really fine. On the first braid you can see to my right, I tried another technique I saw on YouTube and it doesn't look nice. See, can you see how it looks? It doesn't look nice, so I just charried it. But for this second one, you can see it still looks like knotless braid, and it is an alternative to anybody who is interested. When I was done with it, I felt like it was wasting my time, and placing the hair that way in between the sections, I had to make my client like bend her head forward a little bit so that the braiding hair doesn't slide down or fall off. That one is a sacrifice that people who struggle with making knotless braid can do, but I have shown the tutorial. I am moving forward to my regular way of making knotless braid, which I don't have a problem with. So if you struggle, you can explore that one. But one of the cons of that method is that your client has to have her hair down when you're braiding all the back sections of the hair. If not, especially if you're using braiding hair extension, normal expression type of hair, it's going to just keep sliding and falling off. So that is just an option. If you struggle with knotless braid, you can explore that. If you don't, knotless braid is easy. You can just try and learn it. You know how some techniques are just easy, but some of us just cannot get the hang of it no matter what. That's how I feel with stitch braids. Today it's up, today it's down. One day it's disappointing me, one day it's very beautiful. Trying 25 techniques, one is working today, tomorrow is no more working. So if that is your situation in knotless braid, you can try it. But after that, it's like we kept moving until we're almost done with the hair. You need to see how I put in that beads. We did not use um rubber bands to attach the beads to her hair. If you want to see how we got that, keep watching. And her hair was really, 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 really neat, really clean. Her colors was not bad. This hair was making me happy. And anyway, I don't think I have any other thing to tell you. Please watch one ad. Let one ad play so that I can make a penny from your own visit. Please just watch one ad for me. One. Once that ad starts, just get up and go grab water and drink. And when you come back, it's over. Please, it's tough here. Oh, it's tough here. And money person they find. Oh, we they find money. Oh, I like to share. Oh, but they find money. Now, me person they upgrade most. But what do you think? Sis, just let one ad play. Let one ad play. If you leave a thumbs up, like haba, it's not too hard now. Just click that thumbs up button to encourage person picking. You understand? Now hustle with the hustle. Bless my hustle. God will bless your hustle. I'm just going to let you keep watching. Enjoy. As if na food. But enjoy.